Hey, what's up YouTube? So today I want to do a unboxing of this Core 1250 lumens rechargeable Bluetooth lantern. I picked this up off of Amazon for I believe around $50. I'll make sure I put that in the comments. I'll update what I actually paid for that at the time of purchase. So this is model number B07SXR1M5W. Once again, it's a Core 1250 lumen rechargeable Bluetooth speaker lantern with USB output. So this does have the capability to recharge a USB enabled device. It claims here lifetime LEDs. I don't know if there's any way to really quantify that, but nevertheless, it has 5 light modes. It's rechargeable with a micro USB charging cable included. I would definitely like to see a USB-C charger on this, but it's got a 1 meter drop resistance, IPX4 water resistant. So that's pretty much it. Seems like a pretty interesting rechargeable Bluetooth lantern. So we'll just get started here, crack this thing open and kind of see what it's about, get it charged up. I will be doing a review video on this, and just to put a disclaimer out there, this is not a sponsored video. I have purchased all of my camping supplies on my own, so Core is not paying me anything for this video. So I'll just be doing a simple unboxing, kind of just take a look at the quality, the fit and finish, what's included in the packaging, and then like I said, I'll do a review video after I've had some time with it. So you get your instructions. I believe there's some warranty information in here. Yep. So it looks like it has a 1 year limited warranty on manufacturer defects. Okay, so a little foam padding here. All right, so right off the bat, it feels really good. We have some rubberized buttons up top. Looks like we have a power button, bright low, bright high. Now this looks like it's going to be the Bluetooth function along with some volume buttons here. Okay. Oh, that's a bit tight in there, so we'll have to see if we can get something in there to just kind of free that up. Oh. There we go. So we got that freed up. It seems like it kind of has a little detent in there that kind of locks it in for first use, but there you go. So that swings freely now. Okay, so it's a little instructions on how you're going to pair it up with Bluetooth. It does have a hanger on the bottom, so that if you wanted to, hang this upside down this way, in your tent or campsite, wherever you wanted to use it, or if you just wanted to prop it down on a camping table or just pretty much anywhere you're outside doing things. So it's got a little trap door back here down the bottom that's where you're going to get your micro USB cable. Let's see, and we have some, so we'll go ahead and pop this back in. Okay. All right, so you have your rubberized door back here for your USB output, along with your micro USB charge port. So we will get this plugged in real quick, and well, I don't know how long it's been sitting on the shelf, so we'll see if it's got any power right now. Oh, there you go. So popped right on, right out of the gate. Seems pretty bright. We'll go ahead and, all right, so that's at its lowest. That's 1 step higher, 2 steps higher, 3 steps higher, 4 steps higher. Okay, so it's got 4 stages of lights. I gotta say, I don't know if it's gonna show up on camera well, but this is pretty bright. does not hurt it doesn't hurt your eyes to look at it. It seems like the light is diffused very well with this plastic covering here. So, I mean, overall, the feeling of it feels very solid. It seems like a sturdy, pretty sturdy lantern. So, fit and finish, I'd say it's pretty good. You know, we had that little issue up here with this locking bar. I'll see if there's something going on with that detent, because there is a little, I don't know if it's going to be able to get picked up on camera, but there is a little detent there. Maybe to stow it away to keep it, from getting hooked on things. But overall, I think it's a pretty cool little lantern. And let's go ahead and see if we can get it hooked up some Bluetooth. Okay, so we'll go ahead and hold down that Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. There we go. We will search for it. All right, we got core speaker lantern. All right, so we got that connected. I'm gonna play music for too long. I don't want to get copyright, but we will just see how the sound is.
That was a song, Mom, called Winona's Big Brown Beaver. Was Killing in the Name by Rage Against the Machine. This is my Guitars Rule the World Part 2 version.
Okay, so right off the bat, I did read a lot of reviews on this lantern prior to purchasing it, and it seemed to be one of the common complaints was that this core lantern wasn't loud, or it was very low. I can tell you right now, I just put on some Sirius XM. This lantern is plenty loud. I don't think you need it any louder for what it is. I will, like I said, I will do a review video. I will test it with different songs and kind of give my impression on it. I am not a sound engineer. I'm not a professional musician. I do like quality sounding music. I want things to sound clear, crisp, concise. But nevertheless, we will put it through its paces. We'll take it out. We have some camping trips planned here in the future. I will be reviewing a core 6-person lighted instant pop tent. So there'll be a couple more videos coming out on that. As I acquire some more camping stuff, my son and I will definitely put this stuff through its paces. But upon first impression, I have to say, no complaints. The little thing with the detent, I'm not worried about that. I'm a pretty easy guy to please, and depending on how the battery holds up on this, and then how the speakers work out in the real world, listening to it, hanging out with friends around a campfire. That'll kind of be the true test, but overall fit and finish. Comes with your cord. So like I said, if the battery's good, speakers sound good, I'm going to give this thing a 5 out of 5. But as far as today goes, I'm very impressed. I think it's a fantastic unit. So if you're in the market and you're potentially considering a lantern and you want something with maybe just a little bit extra, maybe consider this core 1250 lumens Bluetooth rechargeable lantern. If you guys have any questions, you want me to look at it for something specific that you're kind of interested in, or you just have any questions, comments, be sure to leave them in the comment section. I will update the price in the description and kind of just let y'all know what I actually paid for this thing and when I paid for it. Otherwise, give a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos coming out. Thank you.
Yeah.